let's say you're in a situation where you love the school district, you love the home, but you hate the kitchen, hate the bathrooms, and so on. What do? Do you have any options? Well, today I'm going to tell you about two of them. The first is the FHA 203K loan, and the second is the Fannie Mae Homestyle loan. We'll go over the difference between them and how they can benefit you. So let's get right into it. With an FHA loan, let's assume you're purchasing a home for $500,000 or your mortgage balance is $500,000 and you want to do $100,000 in work. That totals $600,000. As long as the home is worth that after the fact, you should be good to go. Now, what kind of work can you do with FHA loans? With the 203K, you can do kitchens, bathrooms, windows, roofing, siding, safety and health issues like mold remediation and so on. And it also even allows for teardowns, as long as it adds value after the fact. Now, with the FHA 203K loan, you have to have a contractor do the work. It's for your primary residence only, as all FHA loans are. And of course, it requires mortgage insurance, no matter how much of a down payment you're putting down. And what about the Fannie Mae Homestyle loan? And how is it different? It does require a 5% down payment compared to FHA's 3.5%. There is no 1.75% upfront mortgage insurance that FHA requires. If it's an owner-occupied home, you could do from a single family all the way up to a 4-family home. And if it's an investment property, the down payment will be higher, but you could do a single family home. This is something that FHA does not allow. Of course, with a conventional loan, as long as you're putting 20% or more down, there's no mortgage insurance. It does also, the Homestyle loan also allows you to do the work yourself, as long as the work does not exceed 10% of the after improved value. So if the home is going to be worth $600,000 after the fact, the work cannot be more than $60,000 in cost. The Homestyle loan also allows luxury items such as an in-ground pool. So that is a strong option. Now, both loans require you to start the work within 30 days of closing on the loan. The 203K loan gives you 6 months to complete the work, where the Fannie Mae Homestyle loan is a little bit more generous and gives you up to 15 months. Now, who are these loans specifically, each of them for? The Fannie Mae Homestyle loan is for the person who has higher credit score, who can afford the higher down payment, whether it's 5% or the higher down payment for an investment property. And unfortunately, it does not allow teardowns. And it does not allow any improvements that are not permanent. Most important with Homestyle and with the 203Ks, the improvements have to be permanent. Now, what about the FHA loan? Who is it for? It's for somebody who may not have a perfect credit score, somebody who does not have as much saved for a down payment, and for somebody who maybe wants to do a complete teardown. As always, if you have any questions, comments, complaints, or compliments, please leave them in the section below.